Hello everyone and welcome on my new channel called Gadget Hunter, where we'll be looking for the most interesting and the coolest gadgets on the market. Today I want to invite you for the unboxing of the new Galaxy Watch. Let's crack on. Alright, before we're gonna open the box, maybe we're gonna stick to a couple boring facts. There's the pre-order version from UK, which was released today. I've been waiting for the watch about 3 weeks. The pre-order in UK should get a dual wireless charger, which is a double fast wireless charger for Samsung. Unfortunately, the whole pre-order process was a joke, and I'm gonna make another video about that. Samsung UK thumbs down for that. Let's open the box. What we've got down here is a 46mm silver and black Galaxy Watch, just a Bluetooth one. The LTE is not available on the UK market yet, and actually, to be honest, I'm not gonna be bothered about the LTE one because it's like separate pay monthly plan, which is basically a waste of money from my point of view. But of course, if you want it, just feel free to get it when it's gonna be available in the UK. This is how the box looks like. Normal, boring cardboard box. Let's open that. Here we go. The Samsung box, exactly the same as was for the Samsung Galaxy S9, which I've got. Actually, I'm recording the video of that phone in a minute. Nice black package, already damaged. I hope it wasn't me. Thank you for shopping with us. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. There's a package list with my address. Let's hide that. It can go away. The return label. I might need that because I bought the watch in the pre-order, and the only sad thing is that I went to Samsung store in Newcastle where I live, and I expect to see the actual watch in a store when it was available to pre-order. But unfortunately, the watch wasn't in store, which was a big surprise, because it's quite hard to buy something online when you cannot see it. So physically, we've been buying the watch which none of us seen before. That's extremely stupid. But like I said, that's gonna be a separate video about whole pre-order process later on. Here we go. That's the Galaxy Watch. As I said, there's the silver version. There's another thing. I don't know why the 46mm version is only available in one color, which is extremely stupid. Because to be honest, before I was thinking about the Gear S3 Frontier, which from my point of view looks mint. That it wasn't silver. It was more like gray. I'm colorblind, so it might be hard to say, but I think it was exactly the same color as the bezel on that one, and looks much better from my point of view. That's why I was a bit disappointed, and that's why I went to Samsung store to have a look on the watch, because on the photos the black one looks much better, but the black one is only available in 42mm, which won't be the best deal for me because I like the bulky watches, as you can see on it, my G-Shock. I like big watches. Same one's my favorite watch as a Festina, nice solid watch which looks massive on my wrist. That's why I didn't get a 42mm version. Plus, minus that 42mm version is the battery. Samsung claims that on this watch battery will last 7 days. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in it at all, but we'll see. To be honest, I won't be using any Samsung Health applications or anything like that. I hope it's gonna last at least 4 days. Even if it's gonna last 2 days, it's not a big disaster for me, because I can put it on a charger every night, same as I do with my phone, so I'm not worried about that. Of course, it will be a big improvement if the battery is gonna last at least 3 or 4 days. So what we've got down here is a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, blah 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 about the requirements. 46mm case, 22mm strap. Like I said before, Samsung claims stay connected longer. We're gonna test that and we'll see in the future. Actually, it's pretty boring box. What we've got inside: long battery life, auto fitness, windless tracking. I'm not bothered about that at all. Especially I know that all the smart watches and all those fit watches which count your steps, they're not accurate at all. If you're gonna wear 2 of them, they're gonna show you completely different amount of steps on the end of the day. So to be honest, I don't need it at all. It's the same with the next one, 39 plus workout activity support. I'm not bothered about them at all, completely. Water resistant, that's nice. It's resistant for 5 atmospheres or 50 meters. That's a lot. From my point of view, that's a lot, especially as a electronic device. That's completely awesome for me. I won't be using it, to be honest, but still better to have it than not have it. Right, let's open the box and we'll see what's inside. 2 seals. Let's try to lift it. Here we go. To be honest, it looks better than I expect. It's not heavy. Well, it's not heavy compared to my Festina watch, but I would say it's nearly the same size. But let's have a look what's in the box, and then we're gonna come back to the watch. Just a cardboard. 2 things on the side. What we got on it? There's the, I think it's a smaller size strap. Let's put it on here. There's a charger. Like I've seen on the reviews from the United States. As far as I know, it's still a micro USB, which is another disappointment. Especially when you got like Galaxy S9, when you're using the USB-C, you would expect a brand new watch, new release, we're gonna get USB type C. Let's have a look just to make sure. Yes, it looks like micro USB. Let's have a look how it sits on there. Sits okay. Oh, it looks like it's magnetic. Like definitely it's magnetic. When it sits, you need to put some pressure, put some force to release it. That's nice. It doesn't sit freely on the stand. It's got a magnetic, so I guess no matter how we're gonna put it on, it will be charging. Some paperwork, not bother about that at all. And we've got a wire, I guess, and a brick. Whoa, that's another massive disappointment. You're not getting a separate power brick and a wire. You're just getting the micro USB charger. That's a really old style, proper old school. Who's using them now? It's 21st century. No one supplied any electronic with that. Just getting USB brick and a micro USB cable as a separate. That's really bad. I'm really disappointed with that. Let's put it on the side. Anything else? No. The box already empty, so there's not much in the package. Not much at all. Let's go back to the watch. Let's open it. There's some plastic. The watch looks big. There's a, as far as I remember, there's a 1.3 inch screen, AMOLED screen, of course. About 300 dpi resolution, which is pretty good. Well, pretty good. It's extremely good. Everyone knows that Samsung AMOLED displays are awesome, and everyone knows that even Apple's using them in the new iPhone 10. Probably not anymore in the newest ones. Let's compare that to my old Festina watch, because they looks, well, the looks in the Galaxy the same size. What about thickness? Well, the Samsung Galaxy watch looks slightly thinner, but then you've got black thing or grey thing with the sensors, which give it a more thickness. Nah, bad thing for me is that I like to wear my watch in the right hand. I know I'm special, but this is how I do it. The bad thing about the smartwatch is that if I'm gonna put it in the right hand, like I need to operate with the left hand, and when I'm right-handed, it's not the optimal way to do it. So basically I need to learn how to wear the watch on the left hand. Right now I'll try to put it on. Might take me a while. If I'm not gonna be able to do it, I'm gonna make a little cut and I'm gonna come back to you in a second. Right, I've managed to put it on. It wasn't too bad actually. This is how it looks on the wrist. It looks big, but I thought it's gonna look much bigger. And to be honest, I don't think I'll be getting the smaller version because I prefer to have the advantage of the bigger screen. I think it's pretty obvious. I think the smaller version might look a bit smarter, but from the other point of view, it doesn't look so bad on my wrist. So I think I'll keep it. Just not sure about the color of it. I'd still rather to get a black one, but well, it is what it is. If something doesn't want to supply out the different colors, we might stick to these ones. I might put some photos. I'm gonna take a couple shots later on to show you how it looks on the wrist in normal conditions, because right now the light's not the best. Alright, I'll take it off and I'll come back to you and we'll try to start it. Right, I'm back to you now. Actually, that's the first time for the Samsung smartwatch, and I even don't know how to turn it on, so we're gonna try all the buttons. I've seen some reviews, I can remember, I think there was a home button, there was a return button, but I guess it might be a power button as well, if the watch got any juice on, which should have, as far as I know. Here we go, nice Galaxy Watch logo. I've just been playing with that rotating bezel, and to be honest, it's just amazing. You got it, like, you got a mechanical feedback from it, like a metal geese walking inside, and you've got an awesome click. And to be honest, I'm really surprised. I didn't expect it's gonna be so nice. Right, I'm going to pair it with my phone, so I think we're gonna finish on that. And I want to invite you for the next video about my second impressions and my thoughts about the Galaxy Watch after using it for a couple days. So if you can, please subscribe the channel and leave me the thumb up. And I want to say sorry for any incorrect things done in this video, but as you can see, it as my first unboxing video, so not everything's perfect, and I hope I'm gonna improve for the next one. Thank you very much, and I hope you're gonna stay well. Bye.